So you saw the thumbnail, you read the title. This is the app right here that converts steps taken into coins from which you can buy free products. So let me explain you how this works. So if you take 1000 steps indoors, like just walking, then it will give you 1 coin per 1000 steps. And yeah, this app is supported by Google Fit, so it is 100% genuine. And if you take 1000 steps outside, like running, jogging, then it will give you 1.25 coins per 1000 steps. And with these coins you can buy free products and get big discounts on other websites. And in the end, there's a big bonus in which I'm gonna tell you how you can get a head start of some free coins. So watch till the end. So the app has 5 levels, and each time you level up, the daily limit of coins increases. But you need to stay consistent, because it is written right here that even if you miss the daily limit, like the daily requirement of the steps for continuously 3 days, then you will be demoted to the previous level. Okay, so by now you might be thinking that this is not possible. You cannot get coins from which you can buy products from just the amount of steps you take. Well, let me tell you, my friend just bought a PS4 recently from this app, and he takes around 15 to 20,000 steps per day, so he works out a lot, and he got a PS4 within 6 to 7 months. Now, I'm not telling you to work out so much and take so much steps per day, but check out my average, it's just 8,700 steps per day. And if you talk about the average, a normal person takes around 4,000 to 5,000 steps per day by just his daily routine. So even if you take that much, you can get around, like in 1.5 year, you can have enough coins to buy an iPhone or a PS4 or a OnePlus device. Now let me show you. I don't have enough coins to buy a product completely free, but I'll get a discount coupon. So in Planet Superheroes, I can get a 50% off discount coupon for 50 coins. So I'll just accept that and I will purchase right here down, and I will get 50% off on Planet Superheroes. So it is a website which gives you superhero merchandise. So I just got this code, now I will copy it and I'll go on the website to show you what they sell. So you can see right here they sell t-shirts, phone covers, then other superhero accessories. So if I go and select any one, like this one right here, it's a t-shirt of Hulk, and if I paste my coupon which I copied from the app right behind, and if I check, you will see right here I just got a 50% off. So it was a 50% discount coupon. So I'll just zoom in so that you can see. And check out right there. You can see right here, the t-shirt was of 700 rupees, and with this 50% off discount coupon, I got it for just 350 rupees. So this is legit and this works really. So right now I did not have enough coins, so I bought a discount coupon. But if you have enough coins, you can buy stuff completely free, like no need to pay anything. So like you can see PS4, Fossil smartwatch, iPhone XR. If you have enough coins, you can buy these directly with just the coins. You don't have to pay any cash. Okay, so now let's talk about the bonus. So this app gives you 1 coin per 1000 steps you take. But if you click the special link down in the description and download the app from there, you can get a head start of free coins. Yes, you heard me right. Free coins, no need to take any steps. So go down there, click the link in the description, download the app and get a head start of some free coins.